A lot of times, people are kind of hesitant about doing anything with the furniture, and they just leave it in their house and leave it in their house and leave it in their house and leave it in their house until eventually, no telling how long it could be in there. It could be 20, 30 years, could be 100 years. Finishes disintegrate, then the glues start drying out, and pretty soon you got a piece that's wobbly, and the next thing you know, you got joints that get broken, or drawers that start dragging because the drawers have been wearing out the drawer guides for all these years until they start catching on the front, and then they start popping veneers out, and all kinds of little things like that. That if you catch it while it's in the process of wearing out like that, then you can save yourself some money down the road. But if you let it go too long, those finishes need to be replaced usually. And if it's a really old piece, you want to be a little more hesitant about the finishes. Just do the repairs, keep it to a minimum, keep it strong and structural. Then the finishes aren't as difficult to do. You don't have to remove everything. You can just work with French polishing a piece, and that's done. That's a whole separate type of system. But if it's not something you're really concerned about resale, or I want to do this or that down the road, it's a piece you want to keep in your family. The best thing to do is really take care of it and keep that finish where it's strong, and that'll protect your piece. It'll protect your glues after you got your pieces re-glued and everything, and it'll last for another generation or so somebody else can take care of it.